Today I'm going to show you how to make Cacio e Pepe, a simple pasta dish with cheese, a little black pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil. Let's get started. This recipe is so easy. All you're going to need is some cracked black pepper, some extra virgin olive oil, freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano, and some fresh fettuccine noodles. In some generously salted boiling water, you want to cook your fettuccine for just a couple of minutes. After a few minutes, you want to take your pasta out of the water into a saute pan. It does not have to be heated. You want to add your extra virgin olive oil, a generous amount of cracked black pepper, and Parmigiano. Toss it up, plate it up, garnish with some black pepper again, and Parmigiano. Buon appetito.